Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off Bixby in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you long press this side button, that is power button, you will always experience Bixby. Bixby will be open. Okay. If you would like to turn off this Bixby, yes, you can do it. What you do is go to settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to advanced features, and go to side button, and here select power off menu, press and hold. In press and hold, select a power off menu. By default it is set to wake Bixby, so that Bixby is opened. Okay, now if you select a power off menu, hereafter Bixby will not open if you long press this power button. See here, now power off menu appears. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off Bixby in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.